Y'all, guess where I'm at? I'm at Family Dollars checking out the garden hats, y'all. Y'all would not believe the prices on these hats. Hands in the dirt. Hey, you said put it on. We putting it on. Okay? These are the garden hats for the low, 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 low. If you don't have a garden hat, you gotta check out Family Dollar, guys. They got a sale going on. You buy one for $5, you get the second one for half off. So that's $7.50 for two hats. Get you two different hats, two different colors, okay? Now just because I love y'all, I'm gonna show y'all what they got in the stores and you can make a choice. They even got some hats in here for $1, y'all. Yes, $1, and they are also on sale. Buy one, get one, 50% off. So I'm gonna show you them in a minute. It's the little hats. It's these. Okay, the smaller ones, the ones that don't have the big brim around it. Okay, if you just want to be out there and it's kind of partly sunny, you might get away with using something like this. And yes, they will fit you. Okay, but if you got full sun, you want to go with the bigger one. Okay, I'm gonna show y'all a little bit of comparison. You see that $1? Okay, and buy the second one for 50% off your garden hat. Okay, he say put it on. Hands in dirt say put it on. We putting it on. So here we go. Check it out. Now this is what's left in my Family Dollar store. You might have a different variety in yours. You gotta go down to the Family Dollars and check it out. And no, I'm not affiliate, and no, I'm not sponsored, okay? I'm just here to show you what you can get on the low, low, low if you're looking for a garden hat. I'm gonna show you some other garden supplies too that you might not know is in your Family Dollar. Okay, so we're gonna move on to the garden supplies. Okay, you see, do these look familiar? The ones we be scrambling to look for in the Dollar Tree. Well, they got them in the Family Dollar too, and they $1.25. Okay, so if you missed them, all right, your Dollar Tree is out of stock, you might want to swing by your Family Dollar and check these out because they the same pots. They really are the same pots for the same prices. These are $5. They're a little bit bigger. Okay, and they got some even bigger than that. Now these you're gonna have to drill some holes in, but we already know how to do that, right? If you don't know how to do that, go get one of your cousins or your husband or somebody to help you do that. But yeah, $15, that's not a bad deal. They are plastic, and you can drill some holes in the bottom. They also got these sets, okay? They also got asparagus, onions, potatoes. Yep, $2. Okay, so if you don't feel like going to the big box store, you might want to check and see if anything left in your Family Dollar. I'm just putting that out there for anybody who want to know. Now here goes some little easy setups right here in case you just starting out, you not much of a risk taker and you want to get a quick reward. You might want to try something like this right here. Okay, they got these for $3. They also got these in the Dollar General too, okay? So Family Dollar and Dollar General, you can find these for $3. They got canning jars too, guys. They're a little, this is a little expensive to me, but hey, if you looking for them, they got them. Okay, they're $11. They got the water pitchers also, $1.25. Okay, looking very familiar. You want to hang some stuff over your balcony? You can get this too for $1.25. Okay. Okay, guys, that's about all I saw today that was worth showing y'all. I hope y'all enjoyed the video. Don't forget to go get you a garden hat and put it on. Put it on. And I thank you guys as usual for watching. I'll see y'all in the next video.